everybody, and welcome back to Madihaz Cooking. Today we are making white sauce pasta with broccoli and chicken, so let's get started. I just rubbed some oil on my chicken pieces, and now I'm adding garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper powder, chili powder, Italian herbs, and salt to each side of my chicken piece. I'm using chicken thigh, but you can use a chicken breast as well. I just had chicken thigh, so that's what I'm using. So we're going to let this sit to the side while we boil our pasta. Boil your pasta based on your packaging. So what your packaging says, based on that, boil your pasta. So here I have some diced up garlic. I used 2 garlics and I just diced them up really finely, and I have some oil. I'm going to let those garlic pieces get really nice golden color, and then I'm going to add my flour in, and then I'm going to whisk that. You don't want to leave at this step. This is a very crucial step, and you want to keep mixing consistently and gradually until it looks like this and it's bubbling up. And now I'm going to add my milk in. If you guys want the full recipe, in detail recipe, it'll be in the description box down below. But anyway, I'm going to add my milk in gradually until the flour and the milk are nicely combined. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in my Parmesan cheese, gradually, a little bit at a time. And I'm going to nicely mix that up and add the rest of it. So now that my mixture is boiling, I'm going to add black pepper powder. This is crucial. You want to add black pepper powder. It's a simple ingredient, but it makes all the difference. And now I'm adding red chili flakes just for a little bit of spice. And I'm going to fully and nicely combine that in. And this is a secret ingredient, mustard or mustard powder. We didn't have mustard powder at the time, but mustard works just as well. I know you guys are thinking, why is she using mustard? That's really weird. It's a white sauce pasta, but mustard will really make the difference. It tastes so much better with mustard in it. And here I'm just adding in some milk because mine was looking a little bit thick, so you can add milk as needed. And now I'm adding boiled in broccoli that I had boiled earlier. You can also use frozen broccoli as well, no problem. And yeah. And we're going to mix that all up. And we're going to add our pasta in. And we're just going to mix that all in together. And we're going to pop the lid on that and let it heat up for a little bit. So here I'm just I'm adding the seasoned chicken to a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. And yeah, we're done. I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe so I can make more videos like this for you guys. And I will see you guys next time.